Replacing your Chevy key fob shell is a common DIY fix for damaged casings on models like the Silverado, Cruze, and Malibu. Instead of replacing the entire fob at a high cost, you can simply swap the outer shell. You'll need a small screwdriver, plastic pry tools, and a replacement shell kit specific to your Chevy model. Step 1. Open the old shell carefully. Step 2. Remove the battery and circuit board, then place the board into the new shell. Step 3. Test the functions before fully reassembling. Step 4. Fully reassemble the fob. This saves money and extends the life of your key fob without needing reprogramming. When replacing your Chevy key fob shell, ensure you use OEM-compatible parts to avoid fitment issues. Be cautious during disassembly to prevent damage to the circuit board, especially from static discharge. While DIY replacements are cost-effective, remember that trends are shifting towards digital keys and sustainable fob designs. Many aftermarket shells are now made from recycled plastics, aligning with environmental concerns. As keyless entry evolves, physical fob replacements may become less common for newer vehicles, but DIY shell swaps remain a viable option for older models. Always consult model-specific manuals and prioritize safety to avoid damaging the internal components.